what an amazing day off. How epic is Vanuatu? All right, we're all feeling rested and rejuvenated, ready to get into another week of building. We've got timber on site, sand and cement, fingers crossed, will be delivered tomorrow, and then we can get stuck into that. We've also had word, again, fingers crossed. We're crossing our fingers a lot this trip, but a little birdie told us that we may have a welder. A lovely gentleman has gotten in touch with us. He's heard through the grapevine that we've been having a lot of trouble with welders. And so he's mentioned he might have some time on the weekend free to come down and help us out. Oh my goodness, how good would that be? Because at the moment we're just in a standstill. So, I mean, if everything goes to plan, this could really hurry things up a little bit. And I mean, let's face it, if the electricity gets connected like we're hoping for, icing on the cake. All right, let's go for another week.
What's wrong? I said, why do you sleep?
Sorry?
I said, what's wrong?
I'm tired.
From what?
I need 2 hours sleep.
I got a deep sleep. I got to sleep all through the night.
I'm glad you did.
How did you sleep all through the night? Didn't you hear your baby sister?
No. I didn't hear her at all.
Crying all
She
night.
screamed her head off all night and I had to rock her to sleep for hours and hours.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Now I've got to do work while you guys all sit around whinging about how hot it is.
Yep, sure do.
Alright, so we are trying to get out of the house today. It's a bit of a slow morning because someone didn't want to sleep last night. Yeah, you. And so Mum and Dad have had no sleep. So we're trying to get ready. This little muppet is playing games. TV's meant to keep Daisy entertained, but that doesn't work. Dad's doing some dishes. Baby's helping. Lexi's helping for once. Yeah. Dad just finished boiling the kettle because he needs another cup of coffee, don't you, Dad?
I do, because of you.
Daisy.
I'm ready. Everyone's so excited to see me. you guys have probably noticed that I'm changing my shirt a fair bit, and sometimes, unfortunately for you got to see me without one. But that's because in this bush section we work in, the humidity is just insane. And it's even worse in the shipping container. But if you go 40 metres that way towards the road, you get this wicked breeze, tropical breeze that just cools you right down. You don't sweat at all. It's just insane working in this section where the bush is.
Alright, just been doing lots of work. It's 5 to 9 in the morning. Everyone's a bit buggered already.
Wedding look at my face.
Poor Dad.
Oh.
Yeah, look at your face. Okay.
That is not in there.
Poor Dad. Look how wet his shirt is. Look. He's all wet.
Don't pat my tummy. You can wring this out. Ready?
Ew. That's all sweat.
It's only been, what, an hour and a half?
Hot, isn't it, kiddo?
That's a lot of water, eh?
That's a lot of water. You better make sure you're drinking lots.
I've been doing all this work and I have no sweat. Like, what the heck?
Means you haven't been working as hard as Daddy.
Dad's been doing...
So, the guy that called us the other day about potentially coming and welding for us, because he's only got the morning free on Saturday, he pretty much wants all of the cutouts done of the doors and windows, which we've been told not to do that. Everyone else says cut a window, take it out, put the window in, and you know, same, each thing has to be done one at a time, otherwise you lose structural integrity of the container. We've been told no, disregard that and just cut it all out ready so that he can just walk in and weld. So Zach is currently trying to cut wood to prop each of the segments open so that we kind of don't lose all of that structural integrity. But yeah, we're a bit nervous about this one, but it is what it is. So he's just going to bring it all in, and then he's got his saw set up here. And a fan, because I feel like we need a fan in here. A bit stuffy.
A bit. So at this point I've realised there's no point bracing the container. We're so far behind in schedule, and I'm pretty confident that when we cut the doors and windows out, there's going to be pretty minimal warping and deformation. The container's not got huge dings in it, and it's on a pretty level surface. So I'm just going to go straight to framing it out and getting everything ready for the welder to come. Take a lot longer.
So we just finished up nap time and lunch at the Airbnb, and I've just come back to the block to check out Zach's progress. Oh god, it's a bit of a mess in here. Oof, lots of stuff to walk around. Oh yay, how cool! You actually have some sort of formations going on here. That's so cool. Oh, it's actually making me excited. It's like starting to look like a house. With all the setbacks and everything, it's been a bit emotionally taxing for us. So it's good that we're actually, you know, starting to get somewhere with it all. Oh, did you miss Daddy today?
Oh, she's trying to pull me closer.
No, she's trying to make sure you can't let go.
She missed me. Come here. I'll give you a quick cuddle and then I gotta start cutting wood. Hello. Can I make some big noises in here? Is that okay with you? You'll have to stay outside. No, yeah, it's too noisy and too dark and too stinky.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
No, it doesn't look like nothing. What are you doing?
Waving all the sawdust.
There is a lot of it, isn't there? And look, hey Daisy, I'll show everyone the big spider.
There's so many creepy crawlies on the block.
Spider hiding up there. That looks good.
Husband, what do you call them?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll just leave them there though.
This is locked into the top plate now. This is going nowhere. It'll probably stop warping when we cut the frames out. It's got 24 to do.
Alright, here comes our stuff for our cement. We've already got the sand here. And we've got the coral coming now. So that's what they use here instead of rocks or anything like that. So I think, what do we normally use at home, babe, in the way of rocks? We usually use blue metal. So over here they don't have rocks, they have coral. So I don't know whether that's going to affect the structural integrity. Either way, and this is what they do over here, so this is what we're doing. Backing up, he's going to put it right in front of this pile here.
looks like Dad's done for the day now.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.